What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Richie Smoke back at it again with another video. I'm with the homies right now. We over here in Mexico at In-N-Out Burger. Mexico, In-N-Out, what's up, what's up? You got the homies right there, the whole squad, man. So we all chilling. This is the first cool meet. Some of the homies right here. New member from the HT squad right here, man. Make sure you guys follow him. New member from the HT squad right here. And then two of the homies right here. First time me meeting them. But yeah, so it's going to be cool meet. There's a lot of people coming out. So a lot of my friends hit me up. They coming from San Jose area. Some is coming from Stockton. So they hit me up. They told me they're going to, most of them going to meet me over there at the spot. At Luazon. Add him. Make sure you guys follow him on Instagram.
But some half-mile runs next year, bro? Half-mile runs?
So we chilling. So we basically chilling. So this is, like I said, this is the first like legit meet that I did, and Royal Family Racing is co-hosting this meet with me. Those are the family members.
Man, if you haven't come out tonight, you're about to miss out.
For real, big things. And like I said,
exactly.
I'm always a part of the car club. That's my family, man. Like they my family for real. So
exactly, yeah.
I'm part of two things. So, but we're about to begin. Oh, I got two more homies about to pull up in a little bit.
Yeah.
So
for sure.
Yeah. So I hope you guys like this video. This video is fucking dope because I'm trying to bring the LA theme to the Bay, but not like LA. We're gonna be respectful, but I want to do meets like where we have more than 3 locations. But right now we got 3 locations, and the whole thing is just I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. I'm excited, but anyways. The homie right here, the GOAT, man.
Yeah, what's up,
the
guys?
Homie
what's
Fred,
up? What's
man.
up?
The
What's
brother
up?
from another mother, man.
Yeah, exactly,
for real.
exactly.
Man, we just all chilling, man. I thought that was a GTR for me.
I know it was a 350. It's
That's just fucking mean.
When he came in, I was like, GTR.
GTR.
How did I?
But yeah, so we all chilling right now, man. I'm gonna show you guys some of the cars we got over here. This is one of the new members from my HT import. You know what I'm saying? Then we got the homie right here. Then we got the other new member for the HT squad right here. You know what I'm saying? We're doing big things.
This thing about this one, I want to get.
And then we got my shit right here. Not really clean. I just did a little wash. Check out this wire, man. It's so sexy right here. This is a sick fucking car right here. Check that thing out, man. Then we got the monster right here. Check out those wheels. Woo. Hey, the homie right there. What's up, bro? Hey, so yeah, we're gonna start
vlogging later on.
Oh yeah,
making good money. On top of that, plan getting a rear-wheel drive. Again.
Who drives the?
Hey, if you guys need if you guys need rim repairs,
yeah,
he does rim repairs.
Brother.
Yeah, if you need your rim repair, he know how to repair.
All 4 of these had curb rash.
And you did it yourself?
Yep.
Nice.
That's dope. I need my shit fixed.
Man.
For real.
Right on.
Oh shit, my bad, bro. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Come on, break it
no,
down.
I'm actually thinking about getting myself a 325i. Yeah, I like that. I like it.
And
So much nicer because I was thinking
all right, so we should probably start dipping. So everybody came out to the pre-meet so far. Like I said, it was 2 of the HT members right there, and all the homies, man. Everybody came through. You can see we kind of wrapped up around here. So we got to leave here, and we're going to hit to the next location. The next location is going to be basically the first spot for the meet, and if that gets shut down, then we got 2 more spots after this. But like I said, we're not trying to promote no side shows, no burnouts, none of that ignorant shit. I just want to have a good time with car enthusiasts, people that enjoys cars. So that's all I want to do is just promote that, just promote people that just enjoying our cars. And that's what it's all about, is just us getting together and join each other's company and just chilling and just trying to put out a positive message. That's what I want to do with the meets under my name. There's a lot of cars out. But yeah. Squad. The squad. We in here. Woo.
Yeah, everything's new on here though. All the bolts.
I thought that was a fucking GTR. I swear to God, I thought that was a GTR. That's fucking sick.
And like half a week later, I like already left. Like half a week later, I left for Colorado. Oh shit.
Now it's time for us to leave. Hey, y'all ready to start dipping?
We out?
Yeah.
We out?
Yeah. So we all out. So squad. Zon.
Give a shout out, man.
Hey, squad. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Let's go. This is about to be a fucking dope lift. My GTR homies is coming.
Oh, really?
Yeah. All right, so we pulled up to the first location. The first location is actually cool. We got a decent amount of cars. There's another car coming. More people is going to be popping up pretty soon, but we just pulled up. I'm going to show you guys all the cars that's here. And then I'm still waiting on some more cars. But today is going to be an awesome day. All I'm trying to do is promote car meets that will not be out of pocket. I want everybody to know that there are people that like cars and that like to get together that's not going to do anything disrespectful to the community or to the public. So I'm going to show you guys who's here. We got another car coming, Type R coming. The homie's coming with the Type R. So he's on his way right now as we speak. So I'm going to show you his car when he pulls in, and I'm going to show you guys everything. All right, so everybody pulled up right now. Okay. Oh, yeah. Check this out. We all out here. Oh, yeah. Woo. And this motherfucker is so low. Look at this. You can't even put a finger in there. That's how low he is. It's fucking low. But the homie here, the homie Joe came up. He had an accident. So remember some videos ago, it was me in a white Civic. He upgraded to this, and check out those fucking wheels. Oh my God. He done upgraded. This shit is sick.
In at the correct temperature. I'm gonna put those on Monday.
And he got the best spot under the fucking tree, under the Rafiki tree of Lion King.
Where'd you park?
This is hidden.
Hey Joe, you came up big time, bro.
I know.
Those wheels are fucking mean in person, bro.
I know, bro. That's the whole reason why I got it.
Bro, God's plan, bro. You came up nice. You came up nice, bro. Where you see his wheels? That's just sexy.
Oh no.
Wait, what's the name of your wheels again, bro?
The Autohon C, it's like a CS.
Yeah, that shit's sick. Yeah, those are sick. Oh my God, those are bad.
The Autohon's DS03s.
Are they black or gray?
They're like a gunmetal gray with like gold freaking ribbons.
Fuck, I like that, bro. I like that.
Fred to drive with me.
What size tire?
No, because like
18 by freaking 9.
Yo, make sure you go follow the homie. He got a gaming channel, YouTube.
What's your game channel?
J Crazy, the new.
She'll be labeled right here.
Yeah, so look right here. Look where he at. Make sure you guys go follow his YouTube channel. He's a gamer, you know what I'm saying? Future gamer. He's gonna be better than the FaZe Clan or whatever you call him. But yeah, make sure you guys go show the homie some love.
Jay Crazy the new.
Shots fired. I said it first.
Wait. If you guys know The Office, my brother told me this. Boom! Roasted.
Real talk, shit. Real talk. All right, I'm about to show. All right, let's see who else is here, and we're gonna go over there. All right, so we got some nice car. The baby GTR right there. That shit sexy as fuck. Oh yeah. Under the tree. Homie pulled up on me on the freeway a couple of goddamn times. Powerhouse right here, you know what I'm saying? Then we got the Honda right here, the homie right here from Royal Family Racing. We got another Honda right here. Man, I like the Honda gang, you know what I'm saying? And then the homie right here, Cuzzo, came and brought his car from New Jersey. Now we're gonna walk this way. So my homie, one of the good subscribers, and you know who you are because you're watching it right now. The homie, man, the bro came through, man. He's gonna be watching himself in a few seconds.
You already know.
But yeah, man, beautiful car. I don't know if you got
I got a lot more shit to do.
A lot more to go.
Little at a time.
Man, his car is badass, y'all. He came a long way too. Oh yeah, and he got the red too. The red, the cap.
Get some new rims.
Hell yeah. Woo. tinted windows, limo tint.
Yep.
Limo tint. Oh yeah, and I like those right here.
Magnaflow.
Oh yeah, the Magnaflow. He went to my sponsor, City Mufflers. Man, it's badass, bro. Oh yeah, I forgot.
Damn.
You gotta check that out. Damn, bro. Yeah, I gotta get the Memphis, bro. I've been said that a long time ago.
Probably the best shit, bro.
Bruh, cause Honda stock is ass cheeks,
yep,
bro.
I got all Memphis in the front.
Man.
Back dash, front speakers.
Fuck.
Box.
Bro, that's just mean, bro.
That adapter to power the front and back dash speakers.
Man, yeah, this is badass. I love it. It's colder than. Woo. Oh yeah, I gotta get the hoodie. It's too cold, man. But yeah, so the homie came through, man, with the clean ass Civic. I love it. You know what I'm saying? Honda gang all day. That's how we doing it. Let's see what else we got here. Oh shit, he's on fucking bags, all right. Oh shit, he's so low. Goddamn. Woo.
Lower lifestyle.
Hey, for real, low life right here. God damn, man. Woo.
What car is this, bro?
This is a. Let me see. Woo, those wheels.
Oh, camera. This camera.
Wait, is this a Honda? That's just clean.
Take it in.
I think this is a Honda. Let me know down below, you guys, because I don't. Oh yeah, yeah. So it's a Honda, I think. Oh, that's just clean. Oh yeah. Check out this car right here. This is badass right here. This is sick. The Lexus, bro. This shit's dope. Look at the red badging. Oh my god. And you guys can see like the red. Oh my god. Yeah, this is sick. This is sick. Definitely on bags. Gotta be on bags. It's like, look at that. God damn. Badass car, bro. Badass car.
Look at Ted in the back.
Got teddy bear in the back. Check this beast out right here though. The Hemi, the 392. God damn, this is badass. Woo! Oh yeah. That motherfucker is clean, yo. I'm not gonna lie, this motherfucker is so clean. I love Chargers, bro. Like, I love these new Chargers. These are so sexy, bro. Like, check out the vent, man. Woo! And it's white. It's cocaine white. This is beautiful. And he got the yellow guards. I like that. I like when people keep the guards on their Challengers and Chargers. Definitely got to keep those in. But man, this is badass. Woo! Check out them fucking wheels. And he's lower too. But look at the fucking brake pads. Oh my god. Got my car. But this is a badass. I love it. And they got the white thing going on. I like that shit. That's sick, bro. Oh man. Woo! Oh yeah. It is sick, y'all. This is cool. It's a cool turnout for the first meet. Got homies meeting up. And yeah, so far it's cool. Check out this. This is clean as fuck though. I like this. Evo though. And you got the carbon fiber trunk?
Carbon fiber lit.
Oh, lit? Oh, okay. Okay. Woo. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's badass, bro. Knee head. Ladies, hit him up. He needs some head. Badass. That's clean though, bro. How low you got it?
How long?
I mean low.
Oh, fucking, I just cut the springs and how.
Oh, that's what you did?
It's hella ghetto.
Shit, I need to do that for my car.
Bounce as fuck though? Isn't that bouncy?
Oh, it's fucking like.
My boy did that to his Mustang, and every bump is like fucking hella.
My shit's the opposite. Fucking, I feel everything.
Oh, you do? Bruh, I might have to do that to mine.
I'm getting fucking lower sports for it.
Might just well get the lower.
Yeah,
It's
fuck
like,
it,
it's
yeah.
like $100.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. That shit's clean though. I like it. Yeah, I know I seen this. I seen you. It's clean though, bro. Woo. Hey, this shit's clean. Oh, this a Kia? This shit's clean as fuck. That shit's clean. No. It's not the Stinger, but this shit clean as fuck. I like the LED lights. It's badass. It's badass right here. Oh my god. GTR. GTS. Oh, GTS.
GTS.
I will be scratching that off my video. Look at the GTS.
I almost hit R33.
Bro, dude, it looked like it though. And it's right drop. This is sick. This is sick. This is sick, bro. Oh yeah, my bad, my bad. This is woo. Oh, this is badass, bro. I see this shit. This is the day. Oh, the day that I lost my wing. I was driving with this car on the freeway.
That's what you said. Yeah.
So you guys know when I lost my wing, I seen this car on the highway going that way to work, and last time I seen him, I had a wing going, and you know, next time I see him, I don't have my wing. It's because I see him. So yeah. But check out this. This skyline is so badass.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Yeah. Woo. Okay. Yeah. I miss my Mustang era. No, I don't. No, I do miss the Mustang. I miss my Mustang era. Right, yeah, this shit's dope. No, it had to be. It gotta be. It's right here. So, the end of the car. All right. So, it's cold as hell. The meet is over. Not that many cars popped up like I thought was gonna happen. The first location had a lot of people lost, but at the end of the day, it ended off cool. I'm glad all the homies came through, and I'm so grateful that everybody came through and I'm just super grateful to meet cool friends, and it just feels good to have a meet where true friends come through and support. And it's just crazy how I came far from 2017 to now, and I'm just happy how the meet came out. The planning was cool, but the locations and everything was kind of off. The first location kind of fucked up everything, but like I said, I'm happy that we came here. Royal Family Racing, I love you guys. You guys are my brothers. You guys are gonna be watching this. The homie John came through with the Type R. I'm super grateful. One of the homies with the Evo from Boat Society, man. Salute to you. All the homies, everybody I left out, man. I appreciate all you guys for coming through. Yeah. So we all pulled up. So it wasn't a bad turnout though. Honda gang right there, man. Woo. Oh yeah. Hey, the homies, man, the family, man. I appreciate all you guys, man. Hey,
it's so cold right now.
It's cold as shit. Hey, the God is in the car?
No, I'm sorry. It's cold.
Come on, man. You control the weather.
I
ain't gonna lie. I feel like I feel like we on Ocean Beach right now.
Fuck
like
yeah,
for real.
Ocean Beaches. Oh, we should go there next. What the hell? Cruise to Ocean Beach during the day sounds weird.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, yo.
That.
Well, you can see the majority fall hardcores here.
You know what I'm saying? It's gang,
Hell yeah,
bro.
we out here, bro. Man.
Let's do a tailgate. I don't care if this is bone stock. I'm a tailgate this shit.
Bruh, off top, bruh. Gang shit, you know what I'm saying? Man.
We got terms like weather like